Now see next and last topic of this lesson, scientific method of measuring time and establishing age and dating. When we are actually measuring time, when we talk about today's date and day of the week, we have seen that there are various methods of measuring time. This method allows us to identify the particular day, month, year with respect to an earlier or later day, month or year. It means we all knows there are lots of method of measuring time. When we measure time, we actually measure a length. And we for measuring time we use unit like second, minute, hour, years, month. Now see for example, now see, you can see over your calendar. I am showing you calendar. For example, it is if it is a June, then we know that earlier month was May and the next month will be July. If it is a June, that we know earlier month was May. Earlier month was May and the next month will be July. Next month will be July. Now if today is a 10th June, now see, suppose today is a 10th June. Suppose today 10th of June, then we call that tomorrow will be the 11th of June and yesterday was the 9th of June. Thus we measure time, we accurately measure the length. When we consider this date, tomorrow, we consider the time tomorrow, then past time, previous time, that actually we measure the length with the measure the length of time. So that's it. Are you understanding this, student? Now see, the events before the beginning of the common era are mentioned as having occurred before the common era. Information about some of these events can only be obtained with the help of evidence. Buried means what? We got lots of evidence. We got lots of proof in hidden underground the places. So this evidence is usually in the form of broken man-made artifacts and fallen structure. These events we got underground and it's present, it's available broken pieces of artifacts and fallen structure like fallen walls like forts, monuments, fallen old structure. With the help of these remains and using scientific method, we can determine the time of events that took place thousands of years ago. By seeing that evidence, by seeing that broken places and old structure, we can measure it and we can determine the time on which day that events happen and how many years passed away, and we can accurately tell the times of that evidence. So see, there are so many layers of the soil deposited one above another under of the surface of the ground. The period of this layer of the remains found in them cannot be stated definitely in terms of dates. However, rough estimates of how many years ago they existed can certainly be made using scientific method. You can see here, you can see the remains, the evidence that deposited into the soil. And now see the so there are many layers of soil and we got lots of evidence underground, and the period of these layers of the remains found in them cannot be stated definitely in terms of dates. We cannot tell the definitely dates, exact dates. However, a rough estimate of guess many years ago they existed can be certainly be made using a scientific method such as carbon 14 analysis. Carbon